Hello everybody. It's been a while since I did a video, but I figured I'd revisit this JBC stand. This is the 80SE. This is a little older model, but let's take it apart. See what's inside of it. See if there's flux mess and whatever. Cotty's gonna try to knock the stand over. So let's open this up. See what's inside. Gonna get her, push her away a little. Okay, so you take the two screws out. This didn't have the feet on it, but let's open this up. Oop, there is a circuit board. We've got wires. There's the circuit board. And there's really nothing much to it. There's fiberglass. We've got fiberglass shards, so depaneling wasn't done that well. Flux residue. I might have to take this completely apart. See if we can get to the other side to see what we have for circuitry there. No microcontrollers or anything, so it must pass straight through. So, yeah. Not much to it. Pretty heavy. So, that's it, man. That's the teardown of the JBC. Was that the 80SE stand? Not much to it. Yeah, so like, I think the desoldering iron one had circuitry in it. One of them had circuitry. Or some sort of logic. Let me make sure I put that in right. Yeah, I got it right side up. Like, man, it would have sucked if I put it in upside down. But that's a stand. Cotty wants cookies. I don't know where the cookies are. When Cotty gets pets. Here, she can have pets. She can have pets. You can't try to knock the camera over. You knock the camera over, you still got scabs. So, we'll catch y'all later.